How to log into your Xfinity account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Xfinity Login. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first one, sign in to Xfinity. You can click on Decline All. It will land you on the page where you will be able to sign in to your Xfinity account. If you already don't have your account, then you have to tap on Create a new Xfinity ID. But if you already have your account, then first of all in this section, you have to enter your email address or your phone number or the username. Once you have entered, tap on Let's Go. And then you have to enter the password of your account and then click on Sign In. Once you click on Sign In, you will be logged into your specific account and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log into your Xfinity account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.